Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable Azure Functions with timer triggers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Azure Functions and timer triggers, first, sign in to your Azure portal. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Azure Functions section. Click on Create Function. Select a subscription and create a new resource group or choose an existing one. Provide a unique name for your function app. Choose the runtime stack that suits your needs, such as .NET, Node.js, or Python. Select the region where you want to deploy your function. Review the hosting options and select the appropriate plan, such as consumption or premium. After configuring the basic settings, click Next to proceed to the hosting section. In the hosting section, you can choose to enable application insights for monitoring, but this is optional. Once you've configured the hosting settings, click Next to move to the Review plus Create section. Review all your settings to ensure they are correct, and click Create to provision your function app. After the deployment is complete, navigate to your function app by clicking on its name. Within the function app, click the plus Add button to create a new function. Select Timer Trigger from the list of available templates. Provide a name for your new timer function, such as My Timer Function. In the cron expression field, enter the schedule for your timer trigger. You can specify intervals, such as every 5 minutes or daily at a specific time. Once you've configured the timer settings, click Create to generate your function. Now, your new function will appear in the function app. Click on your timer function to open its details page. Here, you can edit the function code as needed. To test your function, navigate to the test options in the Azure portal. You can also monitor executions and logs to troubleshoot if necessary. After everything is set up, your timer trigger will run automatically based on your defined schedule. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Azure Functions with timer triggers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.